Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're talking about screwdrivers and also just briefly mention affiliate links. Well, let's start off with affiliate links. So I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, but I have started including affiliate links in my videos now. I think I have one for a watch box that I use, and I'm going to also put one in there for these screwdrivers. These are Wera. Actually, I had this one first. So this is the first one that I purchased, and I ended up twisting the tip on this one. And then I kind of fixed it. I ended up twisting it back. Let's see if it's still twisted under or not. You can see it's not quite perfect anymore, but I think I was able to straighten it back out. I'm not sure what bracelet I broke it on, and then had another watch in, and I was able to torque it back in the other direction and twist it back straight again, and it's been working pretty well, fairly well for that. But in the meantime, I had purchased this one here to replace that green one, and this tip is just a little bit thicker. I don't think you need as thin of a tip on that green one as what I had purchased. I think this one will take care of everything you need. This is 0.25 millimeter thick for the tip, and then the width of the tip is 1.2. And this one here is 0.2 millimeter. There we go. So Wera is a German brand. I believe these are both made in Germany. If it says that on here or not, I don't know. Regardless of where they're made, they're good screwdrivers. I think they're about $4 or $5 each. I don't exactly remember, but I'm going to create those affiliate links, and I'll put them in the description here, and then I'll include them in all my videos from here on out. Also, I have used, where did I put it? Oh, I have used this screwdriver too. This is one that Mark includes from a Long Island Watch or Island Watch, but this is a little bit thicker, and the tip almost looks, I don't know, it looks a little distorted, I guess, but maybe it's not. You can see that it's thicker as well. But before I bought these and got that one, I would just use this cheap screwdriver set from China or Harbor Freight, wherever I got this thing from. I got, I don't know, 3-4 different boxes like this. They're just, I mean, they can work. They just don't work as good. And also it's kind of hard to get enough torque on this, with just having this real thin shaft here. So these Wera screwdrivers work really nice for giving you torque, and then also a little bit better precision, and you're a lot less likely to slip and break the screw head, which actually I have a watch I can show you. Hold on, I'll bring it back. I guess I don't really need to rush because I paused the video, but this watch here I haven't really worn in a while. If you remember, I had an issue with this clicking. Hopefully you can hear that through the microphone. And I thought, hey, maybe the screw's not tight on this. So I had attempted to tighten this screw, and I had a different screwdriver close by, and I grabbed that one and I used that. And I ended up scratching that screw pretty badly. The screwdriver tip had broken, and then I kept turning it, obviously, and it messed up the screw head. So I'm waiting for a replacement screw head there. I think it's coming all the way from Germany because I purchased it through Watch Buys, and it's going to take like 45 days for that screw to arrive. Actually, I had to buy it in a 3-pack, and it's $20 for that 3-pack. Then there's taxes and shipping, and anyway, major pain, but lesson learned. I'm not going to mess around with these bezel screws anymore, but that's completely off topic. So just wanted to talk about these two screwdrivers here, nice and easy to use, easy to get a hold of. And actually, I have this bracelet here that I need to size, so I'll just show you that in action here. And be on the lookout for those affiliate links. I'll be adding more as time goes by. Yeah, this is from the Axios Pathfinder. I still need to do a video on that. Just got all these videos lined up and stacked up, trying to work on them. These are the links for this MMI turret, which I just videoed. Was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday was Friday. Today's Saturday. So Kickstarter's still live on this one. And today going to try and size a bracelet for this. I probably won't video the whole thing here, but I still need to get the video out on this one. Maybe tomorrow. We'll see. I think tomorrow I'll do the video on this. It's a very unique watch, the Van Banner Parking Master 2.0, 2.0. It's a cool watch. It's a fun watch, definitely. Has this cool green dial. Actually, I'll mark this video pay promotion, even though it's not really talking about, but I got this watch for free, I guess. Not really for, well, yeah, I don't have to return the watch, so I'll just mark the video as a pay promotion just to be safe. I shouldn't really say I got it for free. I have to, I do the video and things like that, so. Anyway, let me show you these screwdrivers in action. Actually, I still like this one. Kind of happy I was able to fix it. So let's see. This thing, actually, this one's kind of funny because I can put it on without opening the clasp right now. I almost think I can take off. I almost think I can take off all the links, but I will take them all off except for one on each side. I still have plastic on the clasp. Get that off of there. Usually I wear my magnifying visors, but we'll try without here. And this here is just a silicone. Well, what the heck, maybe we'll do affiliate links for these two. This is just a silicone kitchen hot pad type thing, but it works pretty well for sizing bracelets. It has this little lip on here, so the screw, my table's not quite level, so things roll, and it'll just roll and catch on a lip here. And I suppose if I slipped and pushed into it, it would protect the tabletop here. It works. I was going to buy one of those. It's like a big silicone mat. It's got different dividers and stuff on it, but just been using this for now. Let's see. Yeah, I need those. Those visors definitely help me out a lot. What I like to do is I like to put my fingers right around the sides to prevent the screwdriver from slipping. I don't want to damage the bracelet. It would help if I could see what I was doing. Here we go. I don't like slotted screws, but I would say 90% of screw links are slotted screws, but I do have some of my Zen watches. What in the, oh, I didn't really pay attention to that. This is one of those deals. I'm gonna have to do both sides at the same time. Oh, what the heck? I probably won't be able to get this on video. Yeah, I kept turning it and nothing was happening. This is a pain. I had another watch a while back too, and I already forgot what that watch was. They had a similar thing. That was, I don't even remember. So good thing I have two of these screwdrivers. Yeah, I'll just show you this part of it on camera, and then I'll pause the video and get it sized up and show you how it looks on wrist. I don't know why they do this. I'll have to talk to them on Instagram. See if I can suggest just a one-headed screw, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, this is gonna suck. Anyway, I think you get the point. I'm gonna pause the video so I can get my visors on and actually see what I'm doing here, and I'll be right back. Just in case you're curious, there's the shaft there, and then it's got screw heads on both sides. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so I think just this one, that side has a thread there, and then this one I think is just a head on a shaft. I don't think it actually has two screws on both sides. So those are some tiny screws right there. So I just wanted to give you a quick look at that. So I'll pause the video and hopefully I'll get this thing sized. All right, so there we go. Finally got it sized to my wrist. I actually had to remove one of these links from the 5, I guess, that I removed, and then had to put one back on because I removed too many links, and it's not fun at all dealing with these double-headed screws, especially trying to remove one from the separated links like this. So, and I sized it in 1 micro adjust in. So finally got it on wrist. Just took a little bit longer than I would like to admit. So let's see, I have 2 here on this side, and I have, oh yeah, 2 on this side. You just can't see it because, let's see, I have 2 or 1. Really, I have 1 link on this side. So I have 1 on that side, and I really just have 1 on that side also, because these last links are not really removable. So there we go. These screwdrivers work well, and now that I think about it, I think I tweaked this tip on another watch that had a double-headed screw system like this. Anyway, that will conclude today's video. As always, thank you for taking the time. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thanks. Bye.